Hi students, welcome to online class of New Vivekanand Convent Higher Secondary School, and today I will discuss an important topic of English grammar, that is noun number. In the previous class or in my previous video I have discussed about noun, and today I will discuss noun the number. Look here. Noun, number. So students, what is number? Number. A word that explain that the given thing is one or more than one is called number. Look here. What is number? A word that explains that the given thing is one or more than one is called number. A lot of things are there, a lot of nouns are there, whether they are singular or plural, one or more than one. So, types of number. Numbers are two types in English, singular number and plural number. Look here, types. Type number 1, singular. Singular number. Type 2, plural. Plural number. So now I am going to discuss what is singular number and what is plural number. At first, singular number. Singular. Singular number, a noun that shows only one thing, place or person is called singular number. A noun that shows only one place, person or thing is called singular number. So dear student, what is singular number? A number that shows only one place, person or thing is called singular number. As for example, singular number, computer, singular noun, boy, girl, bench, etc. So computer, boy, girl, bench, they are all example of singular number. So what is plural number? Look here. At first I have discussed what is singular number. Now plural number. What is plural number? A noun that shows more than one. More than one place, person or thing is called plural number. So, what is plural number? A noun that shows more than one place, person or thing is called plural number. So, plural number means more than one. For example, like chairs. So, chair change into chairs, more than one. Pens, computers, etc. These are all the example of plural number. So, chairs mean not a singular chair but more than one chairs. Pens means not a single pen but a lot of pens, it means more than ones. And computers means not a single computer, more than one computers. So, now I will discuss how to change from singular to plural. A lot of nouns are there, how to change from singular to plural. So, one by one I will discuss the rules. Look here. Rules for changing singular, changing plural from singular. Yes. Rules for changing plural from singular. So, how to change from singular to plural? Rules number 1. Most of the nouns form plural by adding s to the singular. So, rules number 1, most of the nouns form plural by adding s to the singular. Look here, just like boy, as for example, boy changes into boys. If I add only s, then change into singular. Like computer, computers, only add s. Like hand, hands, chair, chairs. So, if I add s with singular, then automatically changes into plural. Rules number 2. Yes, look here, I have already discussed how to change singular to plural. Rules number 2. Nouns ending by x, S double S CH SH form nouns ending by X, S, double S, CH, SH form plural by adding es to the singular. Yes, look here. Nouns ending by X or S, double S, CH, SH form plural by adding es to the singular. For example, just like ending with X, tax, tax at the end ending by X, tax, taxes. Box, boxes. So the noun ending by X changes into plural by adding es. Box changes into boxes, tax changes into taxes. Now S, bus, bus changes into buses. Bus changes into buses, so at the end there is the use of S. So we use es to change into plural. Bus changes into buses. X, S, double S, like class ended with double S, classes. Double S, CH, bus, SH, bus, bus changes into buses. Yes, CH, church, changes into churches. So a lot of examples are given to you how to change if the nouns ending by X, S, SS, CH, SH. How? By adding es at the end of singular. Look, tax, taxes, bus, buses, only added es. Yes, I think you all have understood very well. Now, rules number 3. Rules number 3. Noun ending by O, noun ending by O preceded by consonant, form plural by adding es, to the singular. Look here, noun ending by O preceded by consonant, form plural by adding es to the singular. Look here, like for example hero. Yes, at the end there is the use of O, and just before O there is the use of R, that is consonant. So noun ending by O preceded by consonant. Yes, so consonant, consonant. Hero changes into heroes, so we use es, heroes. Mango changes into mangoes. Mosquito changes into mosquitoes. Yes, photo changes into photos. So a lot of examples are given to you, and all are nouns, and at the end there is the use of O. So if the nouns ended by O preceded by consonant, R is consonant, G is consonant, T is consonant, T is consonant, so O preceded by consonant, then how to change? By adding es to the plural. So I think you all have understood. Then rules number 4. Rules number 4. Nouns ending by y preceded by consonant form plural. Consonant form plural by changing y into I and adding es to the singular. singular. Look here. Nouns ending by y, all the nouns ending by y preceded by consonant form plural by changing y into I. Y changes into I and adding es to the singular. For example, baby, and at the end there is the use of y, and y preceded by b. B is consonant, so I have already mentioned consonant. There must be consonant before y. So baby, babies. So y changes into I plus add es. So babies, lady. Similarly, ladies. So y changes into I and at the end adding es. Yes, story, stories. Yes, country changes into countries. So look here, all the nouns ended by y, and before y there must be the use of consonant. Here B is consonant, here D is consonant, here R is consonant, here R is consonant. So how to change? Change y into I and add es to change singular to plural. So rules number 5. Rules fifth rule, look here. Nouns ending by y preceded by vowel form plural by adding only s to the singular. Look here. Nouns ending by y preceded by vowels form plural by adding only s to the singular. For example, boy. Boy changes into boys. Boy, boys, day, days. Joy, joys. Key, keys. So look here, some nouns are given to you: boy, day, joy, key, and at the end there is the use of y, but before y there is the use of vowels. So O is vowels, A is vowels, O is vowels, E is also vowel. So a noun ending by y preceded by vowels form plural number by adding only s. So boy changes into boys, boy singular, boys plural. Day, days plural. Joy, joys. Key, keys. So students, rules number 6. Now rules number 6. Look here. Nouns ended by f or fe form plural by changing f or fe into ves. Look here. Nouns ending by f or fe form plural by changing f or fe into ves. Look here. For example, nouns ending by f or fe form plural by changing f or fe into ves. like leaf. Leaf, at the end there is the use of f. So f changes into ves, leaves, leaves. Knife, knife, there is the use of fe. Fe also changes into ves, knives, knives. Life, at the end fe, lives, lives. Fe changes into ves, fe changes into vs, f also changes into ves. Wife changes into wives, wives, wives. So you have already understood how to change if the noun ended with f or fe, how to change singular to plural. In singular, leaf, leaves, knife, if I change into plural, knives, life, lives, wife, wives. So rules number 7. Now rules number 7. Some nouns form plural by changing inside vowels. Yes, some nouns form plural by changing inside vowels. Inside vowels, for example, man is singular and there is the use of a is vowel. So man, if I change man into plural, so man changes into men. Woman changes into woman, changes to woman. So a changes into e and similarly a changes into e. Next, like foot changes into feet. Tooth, teeth. Similarly, foot, there is the use of vowels, so changes inside vowels. So foot changes into feet if I change singular to plural. Similarly, tooth changes into teeth. So vowels are changes to make plural. Clear? Next, rules number 8. Some nouns form plural by adding en or ren to the singular. Look here, some nouns form plural by adding en or ren to the singular. So like child, child is singular and if I change it into plural, children, so at the end there is the use of ren, yes, ren, chick, singular, chicken. Yes, there is the use of en. So some nouns form plural by adding en or ren to the singular. And last of all, rules number 9, last rule. Rules number 9. Compound noun. Compound noun takes s to make compound nouns forms plural. By adding s with principal word. Look here. Compound nouns form plural by adding s with principal word. Compound word like, for example, passerby. A compound word passerby, and the principal word is passer. So use only s, passersby. Passersby. So if I want to change a compound word like passerby into plural, then we add only s, passersby. Daughter-in-law. Yes, principal word is daughter, so change into plural, daughters-in-law. Yes, only use s with the principal word. Now, commander. Commander in charge. Here the principal word is commander, so commanders in charge. Yes, like father-in-law. How to change? The principal word is father, fathers-in-law. So I have already discussed how to change. If there is any compound words, how to change? Only add s with the principal word. So passerby changes into passersby, daughter-in-law, daughters-in-law, commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief, father-in-law, fathers-in-law. So students, that's all. Thanks. Have a nice day.